Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about events of the form and how to deal with multiple forms in VB6. So start a new project. Then double click onto the form and it loads up the command prompt. Here you can see the events of the form. We'll deal with the resize event, that is whenever you resize the form, its resize event occurs. So at the time of resize event we show message box form has been resized. We can also perform any cleanup stuff here, that is restricting the size of the form in terms of width and height. Then run it. Whenever you resize it, the message box is shown here. You can see the message box here. Then stop the program. Now let us learn how to deal with multiple forms. That is, in our case there is only one form. What if we want to add another form? Then you need to right click onto the project and then inside add click on form. Then from new tab click on the form and then click on open. So you can see here two forms. Now run the project. You notice that only first form is shown onto the screen, not the second form, but we want to show the second form, not the first one. So for that, close the running solution and then right click onto the project and then click on project properties. Then inside startup object click on form 2 and then click on OK. Now run the project. Here you can see that form 2 is shown, not the form 1, as we have set startup form to form 2. Now what if we want to navigate to form 1 using form 2? So for that purpose, set a button and set its caption to show form 1. Inside the click event, write form1 dot show. This method shows up the form 1 and hides our current form using me.hide. Me is used to refer to our current form. Then press F5 and click on show form 1, which ends up in showing us form 1, not the form 2. If you want to wipe out a particular form into the memory, do not use me.hide, as you can see that the application is still running. Instead, use unload me and then run. Click on the button. You can see that the form 2 is shown, and when you close the form 2 window, the application is also terminated. So this tutorial was about familiarizing yourself with form events in VB6. Thank you.